Rewarded Play gift cards are not always delivered instantly, and the delivery time can vary depending on the reward you choose, account verification, and the app's current processing volume. By the end of this video, you'll know what affects redemption speed, what you can do to avoid delays, and when it's time to contact support. Here's the short answer. After redeeming your points, your request goes through a verification process before the reward is issued. Some users receive their rewards quickly, while others wait longer if additional account checks are required. A delay doesn't automatically mean there's a problem with your account. The first thing to check is your redemption status. Open the Rewards or Redemption History section inside Rewarded Play and confirm that your request was submitted successfully. If the request is still marked as pending, the app is still processing it. Avoid submitting multiple redemption requests for the same reward, because that won't speed up the process. Next, make sure your account information is accurate. If Rewarded Play can't verify your account or notices unusual activity, processing may take longer. Using multiple accounts, changing devices frequently, or using unsupported software can trigger additional verification. Keeping one account on one supported device gives you the best chance of smooth redemptions. Your internet connection also matters during the redemption process. If your connection drops while submitting the request, refresh the app and check your redemption history before trying again. If the reward appears in your history, wait for the processing to finish instead of submitting another request. The type of reward can also affect delivery. Different gift card providers may have different fulfillment systems, so one reward may arrive sooner than another, even if both were redeemed at the same time. That's normal, and doesn't necessarily indicate an issue with your account. If your redemption remains pending well beyond the normal processing period shown inside the app, contact Rewarded Play support through the in-app help section. Include your account information, the reward you selected, the redemption date, and screenshots of the pending status. Providing complete details helps the support team review your request more efficiently. Here are the key points. Redemption speed depends on account verification, processing volume, and the reward you selected. Check your redemption history before trying again. Avoid duplicate requests, and keep your account in good standing by using only supported devices and one account. If your reward stays pending longer than the app indicates, contact support with screenshots and your redemption details. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Rewarded Play tips, and check out our other troubleshooting guides for common redemption and tracking issues.